Now, write each of these as a power of 2. Quite easy, okay? First one is 2 root 2. That's 2 to the power of 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of what? What does square root automatically mean every time?
Power of a half.
It means to the power of a half every time. So 1 to the power of 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of a half. What do you do with the powers? Anybody remember what you do with the powers? Alright, no, you add them. 2 to the power of 3 by 2 to the power of 4 is 2 to the power of 7. Therefore, 2 to the power of 1 plus a half, that's 1 and a half, isn't it? 1 and a half is the same thing as 3 over 2. Next question. Right, yeah. Look up. Okay, next one is 8 root 2. What's 8 in terms of 2? How many 2's do you need to multiply by each other to get 8?
4.
No. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Multiplied by another 2 is 8. 8 is 2 to the power of 3. What's root 2? 2 to the power of a half. What do you need to do to the two powers? You add them together. So you go to your calculator and you go 3 plus a half. 3 plus a half, and you get 7 over 2. Any questions so far? We're good so far, are we? Okay, let's try part 3. 2 part 3. 2 part 3 is done like this. 4 divided by root 2. We need this done as a power of 2. What's 4 in terms of power of 2?
2 to the power of 2.
2 to the power of 2. What's root 2?
2 to the power of a half.
2 to the power of a half. What is the rule when you have one of them divided by another one?
Once.
You take them away, and the answer to this one would be, Fionn, the answer to this one? 3 4 over 3 2?
3 2.
3 power 2. 2 minus a half, anybody?
1.5.
Which is the same thing, if you put in the calculator, same thing as 3 over 2. 2 to the power of 3 over 2.
What'd you get?
Okay. 2. 2.
Yeah.
Take away the half. 3 over 2.
Where do you get the 2?
Which 2?
The 2, then 3, the power of 3 over 2.
This one?
Yeah.
The 2 is the base number. Those 2's there. So lads, in the same way, where to get the 3's from? The answer is 3 to the power of 4 minus 2, which is 3 to the power of 2. Top one minus the bottom one. Okay, let's do part 5 now. Part 5 is root 2 over 8. What can you change the bottom into?
2 to the power of 3.
2 to the power of 3. What can you change the top into?
2 to the power of half.
What do you have to do to the two powers?
Take them away.
Take them away. So it's going to be a half minus 3. So a half minus 3. And what do you get?
Minus 2 over 5.
Or minus 5 over 2, okay? So it's going to be 2 to the power of minus 5 over 2. Okay, let's start off with the indice questions now, okay? For part 2. 3 to the power of x equals 27. Okay? 3 to the power of 1 is 3. 3 to the power of 2? 3 to the power of 3? Okay. We can change 27 directly into 3 to the power of 3. Therefore, what does x have to be equal to? X equals 3. Let's try another one similar to that. Let's try part 1. 2 to the power of x equals 8. 2 to the power of 1 is 2. 2 to the power of 2? 2 to the power of 3? 8. 2 to the power of x equals 2 to the power of 3. Therefore, x must equal 3. Now, the next question, which I'll do in part 4. Part 4 is going to have a trick. Okay, now I need you to understand where the trick is going to come in. Okay? 8 to the power of x equals 32. 8 to the power of 1, 8. 8 to the power of 2, Ah, 32 is not on that list. Therefore, I can't do it that way. 32 will happen somewhere in between 8 and, which means it'll happen somewhere in between 1 and 2. So, what we're going to do next is we're going to pick another number, pick a smaller number. That will divide into both of them.
4.
4, okay. Now I'm going to tell you why 4 won't work, okay? 4 to the power of 1, 4 to the power of 2. See the way 8 isn't on that list?
Oh.
So you can't use 4 either.
2.
Go for 2. The number you pick, when you do a list of all its powers, both the numbers have to be on that list. 2 to the power of 1, 2. 2 to the power of 2, 4. 2 to the power of 3, 8. 2 to the power of 4, 16. 2 to the power of 5, 32. What can we replace 8 with?
2 to the power of 3.
To the power of x. And 32? 2 to the power of 5. Multiply. Why are we multiplying these? Anybody tell me why are we multiplying them?
Brackets.
Because the brackets part, yeah? 2 to the power of 3x equals 2 to the power of 5. What's the next line? 3x has to equal 5.
Oh.
X equals
3.
5 over 3. 5 over 3 is a number that's in between 1 and 2, as predicted. Yes, Higgins?
Would you get 3 actually?
You multiply. If I have this, Higgins, 4 to the power of 2 to the power of 3, the answer is 4 to the power of 6. I add 2 to the power of 3 to the power of x, hence 3x. Okay, let's try another one now. These are tough. Okay, let's try part 7 now. 25x equals 125. Can we solve this question using 25? Let's find out. 25 to the power of 1. 25 squared. 625. Is 125 on that list? No. We only have, so therefore we have to go pick another number, a smaller number. Think small. 5. 5 to the power of 1. 5. 5 to the power of 2. 5 to the power of 3. 125. Change 25 into 5 squared. Change 125 into multiply. Okay. Then what?
2x equals 3.
Yeah. X equals
3 over 2.
2. Okay. That's how you do those. Happy enough with that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I just do one more?
What?
Can you just do one more?
There's more here.
Oh.
I can do them here. Okay. Let me show you question 6 part 1. 27 and 81. Think of a really small number that will go into both of them. 3. 9 won't work now. I'll tell you why 9 won't work. 9 to the power of 1, 9. 9 to the power of 2, 27 is not on that list. It can't work. So start with 3. 3 to the power of 1, 3 to the power of 2, 3 to the power of 3, 3 to the power of 4. Replace 3 to the power of 3 to the power of x, and then the other one 3 to the power of 4. Multiply 3 to the power of 3x equals, sorry, was it 3 to the power of 4? 3x equals 4, x equals 4 over 3. Now that's the answer for this question here, isn't it? Can anybody therefore tell me, if I put 27 to the power of 4 over 3, what should I get? The answer for x is 4 over 3. Therefore 27 to the power of the answer should mean, I can check my answer and make sure that it equals 81 to make sure I'm right. 27 to the power of 4 over 3, 81. I know I'm correct. Okay lads, now let's try another one. Okay, I'm going to try 6 part 6 part 3, okay? Now, 6 part 3, have a look at it here. Any ideas? Can we solve this question using force? Force.
Yeah.
Somebody said no. Who said no? Okay, why did you say no?
Let's guess.
Okay, 4 to the power 1, 4. Always pick the smaller number. 4 to the power 2, 16. 4 to the power 3, 64. Is 32 on that list? Therefore, you need to pick a new number. Pick a number that's smaller than 4, but also even. 2. Okay. Oh dear. 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5, 32. Okay? Now, what do you change 4 into? Power 2. What do you change 32 into? Now, quick question. 2 rules we're going to have to apply here. What's the rule for this here? 2 to the power of? What's the rule for 1 divided by a power? 2 to the power of? Minus 5. Remember, it doesn't make sense, but you have it learned off, or it's in your notes. If I had 1 over x5, that's the same thing as x. If I had 1 over 10 to the 9, that's the same thing as 10 to the minus 9. Now, how do I finish this question off? Anybody? 2x equals? X equals? Minus 5 over 2. Okay? You alright? Now, get slightly harder, these ones here. Okay? Let me explain how to do 7 part 4. Would be a good question. Somebody in class, tell me a good number to use for these two. 5. 5 to the power 1, 5. 5 to the power 2, 25. 5 to the power 3. To pick up at 10 marks even, just do this. Does everybody know what I did there? Just change the 25 and the 125.
Yeah.
Now, what's the rule for the one on the left?
Multiply.
So what happens when you multiply them?
5 power of 2x minus 2.
5 to the power 2x minus 2. What's the rule for this one?
5 to the power minus 3.
And finally, how'd you finish it?
3 over the minus 2.
2x minus 2 equals minus 3. 2x equals minus 3 plus 2. 2x equals minus 1. X equals minus 1 over 2. Okay. Did I go as far as I? Oh, I did. 9 and 10. Okay. Okay. This is the last one I'll do, which is today, is number 9. Okay. I'll stop at number 9 today. Number 9. Part 3. 5x equals 125 all over root 5. Any ideas with this one, guys? 5. 5 to the power 1. 5 to the power 2. 5 to the power 3. Root 5. What equals root 5? 5 to the power of a half. So you're going to do this. 5 to the power of x equals 5 to the power 3 divided by 5 to the power of a half. What's the rule for this one?
Take away.
Take them away. 5 to the power of x equals 3 minus a half.
5 to the power.
It's 2.5. Put it in the calculator, you'll get
5 to
5 over 2. What's the answer for x?
X is 5.
5 over 2. Okay. Alright.